So we're going to be simplifying expressions and not using a negative exponent. So when you see a negative exponent, you're going to move the whatever part of the expression has a negative exponent, you're going to move it to the opposite place of your fraction. So if it's in the denominator like this one, you're going to move it up into the numerator and make it a positive exponent. So for instance, this v to the negative 2 goes to the top, make it v squared. Now the 6 stays in the denominator because it does not have a negative exponent on it. So on this one, the 2 stays in the numerator, and we're going to move the n down to the denominator and change the exponent to be positive. And that will be our answer. Because it was negative, it has to move down to the opposite place and become positive. So let's do one more. Okay, the negative 6 stays in the denominator. So that negative will stay right there. But this p to the negative 2, we're going to put up to the numerator and make it a positive 2 on the exponent. Now the entire fraction will be negative. That negative 6 will just stay there in the denominator, and I'll just leave it that way. Sometimes they tell us to put the negative in front of the fraction, but again, that just does not matter. So that's it. We're just moving whatever has the negative exponent, move it to the opposite place in your fraction, either in the top or the bottom. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.